Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Translate app. After open up your Google Translate app, next thing you need to do is to choose your primary language right here. So I'm going to click on here now and choose my primary language to be English language right here. So select on that. Once you choose your primary language, next thing you need to do is to download the language you would like to use for offline translation. And for that, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on downloaded languages. Then scroll down right here and choose any language you would like to use as your offline translation. Let's, for instance, I want to use German language. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to download the language. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download. Now you can see it has successfully downloaded to the offline right here. Next thing we want to do now is to go ahead and turn off our mobile data. I'm going to swipe this way and turn off my mobile data. You can see here that Wi-Fi is off, mobile data is off, and hotspot is off. Now let's see how we can use this German translation in offline on our Google Translate. So I'm going to go back to the home page right here. Now my primary language here is English language, which is also not need to be in offline download. And then we have to come here and choose my translated language. I'm going to click on here now. Then I'll go ahead and look for the German language that I just downloaded. So here we go. I'm going to select the German language right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here now and see and type English language, while it automatically translates to German language. So I will say how to use Google Translate offline. Now you can see it has automatically translated into German language, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can see it right here that everything has been fully translated from English to German language right here in offline translation. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.